Hi there, this is Natasha. I am a crochet tutor, designer and creator at My Creative Butterfly. I teach crochet through my online courses, classes and patterns. I also have a wide range of crochet products that include jewelry, home accessories, bags and crocheted canvas wall art. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you watched today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So we are all set for our Shambhumi inauguration. And we have already inaugurated it. Now let me give you a tour and explain the paintings that we have. So this is the first one. It has peonies, we have lily of the valley, we have a ground beetle because I'm obsessed with insects, and we have sand texture in the back. This one has yellow lilies and textured background. This one is my favorite. We have a giant blue butterfly. The background is actually gold foil and resin, and this is sand textures. These are slightly different. This is done on a MDF background. These are random colorful flowers. The colorful flowers actually give a partition between the resin texture and the other texture on the platform. This is a butterfly, again my favorite. Half part of the butterfly is done with flowers and the other half is done with painting. This is a entirely different concept. The flowers are actually crocheted with wire and the background is done with resin. This is wheat and it is highlighted with a cute dragonfly. The texture, the background is sand texture, and again here we have resin that is done on gold foil. These are mushrooms. This is a real tree bark, the bark that we gathered from outside our apartment, and the background again is double sand texture. The texture was done once and then redone. This again is done on MDF. We have moss, we have real bark, and then it is highlighted with those mustard mushrooms. These are again random colorful flowers that gives a partition between two different types of textures that are done on the circle, and this is a ground wheat. This is again wheat that is embellished with gold foils. The texture is sand, this part is resin, and this is resin done on gold foil. Again there is a cute dragonfly. This also is a MDF background. We have a resin texture. Again, there is a different kind of resin texture. These are glass crystals and these are poppy flowers with a cute red ladybug. These are Cattleya orchids done on a circular flame. This is sand texture. There is a pink gold foil embellished butterfly, and this is resin work. This is black on black, all-time favorite of everybody's. So these are black beads that are embellished with the gold foil, and we have a dragonfly on this as well. This is a heart. These are wooden bricks, then crocheted flowers and crocheted butterfly. This is a sakura branch. Again, the texture is sand texture. This is a real wooden twig and the flowers are placed on that. This is the same concept. The beautiful, colorful, vibrant flowers actually divide the resin texture and the color texture. All these four panels represent the same thing. This one has three-dimensional hearts with a textured background. This is Rudbeckia flowers. These are natural wood, semi-finished beads and same wooden rings on the background. These are colorful flowers. This is bluebells. That also is bluebell. And this one is crochet flower with pearl beads with a textured background. These two are pearl embellished mini heart canvases. This one is bluebells. Again, it is embellished with the wooden bamboo bricks. This is bamboo bricks. These are all flowers that are inspired by natural flowers. These are roses, and we have red poppies, we have sunflower and daisy, we have roses, we have daisy and lavender, then these are hydrangeas, and then again poppies. These are solid wooden alphabets. These are also done with crochet flowers and beads, and some of these are done with resin, seashells, and this is real moss. This is done on MDF background. These are texture and the flowers are lavenders in shades of purple and in shades of orange. The vase that you see, this is actually a resin vase. These are dream catchers. The dream catchers are supposed to catch the bad dreams so that the person who is sleeping below it can sleep in peace. These are Cattleya orchids embellished with a white butterfly done with gold foil. These are MDF triangles. The background is resin so that you can see the reflection of the crochet flower that have been put on them. And the last piece, this is an upcycled tire seating. The inside is done with a used old car tire. Then the top is crocheted and the wooden beads are working as the embellishment on the seat. So this is all. Thank you so much. We missed one piece. We missed it. This was the first piece that we did. It's a pink butterfly with a textured background, and we have crochet flowers on one side and painting on the other side. And the backdrop that you see, that also is hand crocheted, all hand crocheted 100% cotton threads. Florals are hanging from there. So this is it. This is the exhibition. Thank you so much for watching. This is all for today. If you liked what you watched, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new videos that I put out. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye-bye.